After you launch SOLIDWORKS application, you got this appearance. Now we have to create a new SOLIDWORKS file. To create a new file, you can go here and click here a new. Or you can go to File and then choose here New. So let's click on this one. And now we got this dialog box. Here we have two tabs, Templates and Tutorial. And we're gonna go with Templates. So we have three options here. We can go with Part, Assembly, and Drawing. So if we want to create a part, then we go with Part. If we want to create assembly, then we're going to choose Assembly. And if we want to create a drawing, then we're going to choose Drawing. As well, we can go here and click Novice. Let's select. And now we have here the same three options, Part, Assembly, and Drawing. But here we have description, what is Part, what is Assembly, and what is Drawing. So this is for beginners who start using SOLIDWORKS to know what is Part, Assembly, and Drawing. Now let's go to Advanced. And we can just click here on the part and click OK, or you can just double click on the part. Let's double click. And now we have this appearance. And in the next lecture, we're going to explain user interface.